Hi there everyone, my name is Nesy. I am the owner of Nesy. Nesy is an online store where we craft the finest luxurious products. These products are mostly fashion accessories for women, decorations for homes, and kitchen must-have items. Uh, Today I want to show you my beautiful earrings. I named them Reina. Reina, you know, queen in French means reine, so I just decided to say Reina. Queen in French means reine, so I just decided to call the earrings Reina. Why Reina? Because these are earrings that do fit. They fit, they bring out the beauty in every woman. So these earrings, as you see, we can like make them short. We have a shorter version of this, and we have a longer version of this. So this is it. As you can see, we have other colors available. These are made with gold tone, gold, should I say gold color wire, gold color uh, chain, gold color pin, and gold color caps. This cap, you know, gold color is a color that, like, should I say, represents or means worth. Somebody like me, especially a brown skinned girl, I like everything that is gold color or is gold. Why? Because of my color. But I mean, there's some brown color girls that like silver, but I like everything gold color. It goes very well with my color. So we have this gold color earring mixed together with pink, and you know, gold means wealth. That's to make the earring look luxurious, presentable. This is a piece that you can wear when you're going out on a date night. It is very beautiful. It has a gold leaf like kind of cap that like is there at the top, and we have a large teardrop pink, baby pink beads at the bottom. And as you can see, we have the hook makes it like really easy for you to wear the earring. You can easily put it on and put it off and stuff like that. So we have this available on our online store, and other than that, we have pink and fuchsia colored bracelet. Just so simple. You can, I think we have it also double, but we have this one just single, which you can like wear. You can wear just it, or you can double with any other bracelet of your choice. So we have this. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. Okay. And then another one that we have is pink and white. So this is the pink and white. It is made up of pink beads. You know, pink, you know what pink means? Feminine. We also have gold caps, gold wire. You know, gold, as I said, it represents wealth. We have pearl. You know, pearl, everybody likes pearl. And then we have a closure, and the closure is heart shape, and you know, heart shape toggle closure, which makes it look very classic. So this is it. This is the bracelet. Yeah, this is the bracelet, and this is the other one. The other one also has a closure that is a toggle. Yeah, so this is it. And these are my flowers. I hand make the flowers. As you all know, I make flowers for special events and for your homes. So I designed a flower, a brush flower for myself that I can wear with any of my dresses. So I'm always going to come online, show you my beautiful pieces. So these are the bracelets I have. I'm so sorry, it's just me. Okay, let me be serious. Okay. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks. And We have this. This look is really me. It's really Nesy. I like long earrings, extra long earrings. I like bracelets that make noise. That is me. And this one, you know, the Rena bracelet. So this is it. Yeah. And it has a toggle closure. You just need to. Okay. So this is the bracelet. Yeah. So this is it. We have this. And I think we have, I don't know if it's 4 available. We just made it. We still have to list it on the website. So this is it. Yeah. So thank you all so much. I just wanted to show you what I am wearing, and should I say what I'm wearing. And also, if you want them, you can go to our website and you will find these beautiful pieces. I'll always come online. I always post videos on YouTube on my channel. I'm gonna like put everything back in order. So thank you all so much, and you do have a blessed day.